everybody. So this is your survival meal kit, or meal survival kit, however you want to say it. So y'all know each week, most of the time I'm sharing recipes. I'm sharing budget-friendly tips for people who's cooking. If you're a mother, whoever you are, if you're doing cooking in your household. And now I want to also, each day this week, I'm going to be showing you like I'm saying survival meal plan, or some kind of meal that I'm probably doing this week with my kids. Y'all know I pretty much cook every day almost. And I'm always showing you whether it's beans and rice recipes with vegetables, simple recipes that can stretch. So even now, I know many of you may be at home, some of you may be at work, or you got to feed your kids, or you trying to make the food stretch. There are a lot of ways you can do that. So I'm going to be showing you a few tips, just kind of where you are now, showing you something that's really small, something you can try to do. So the first thing today, this is Monday, I'm going to show you some healthier chicken nuggets that I made for my kids. And I know many of you, I don't know, you have a lot of frozen dinners or pizzas, hot pockets, whatever it may be. A lot of times those food don't last long. We know they're not really the healthiest thing to get, of course, but they don't last long. And you want to get something where you get more bang for your buck. And most times you can get that through cooking your own foods, maybe buying something, and I can show you how to do that. So on today's menu is going to be homemade chicken nuggets. No, they're not fried, but I'm going to show you what I did, and check it out.